There are rich people and there are poor people. This is not a surprise. But did you know that the difference between rich and poor is increasing? The richest 10% of people now earn 40% of the global income. Inequality among people is greater now than it's ever been before. That's why Sustainable Development Goal 10 is so important. SDG 10 is to reduce inequality around the world. Inequality is not only about money. There is inequality in education when some children can go to school and some cannot. There is inequality in healthcare when some people can get treatment and medicine while others cannot. There is inequality between men and women when women are paid less money for the same work. Inequality causes lots of problems in society. Countries with lots of inequality have more crime and violence. People are less healthy and happy. The quality of education is not as good. People feel stress because they cannot find enough food. On the other hand, some of the happiest countries in the world are countries that have less inequality.